Time is running out. You just don't feel it yet. You think you have time. You think tomorrow is guaranteed, but it's not. Not for you, not for anyone. You are dying every single day. And most people never wake up to that truth.
You live like you'll live forever, like the clock isn't ticking. You delay what matters because there's always later. But the truth is, later is a lie. You could leave life right now. Marcus Aurelius. The Romans understood. Death isn't the enemy. Forgetting you will die, that's the true enemy. Look at your life. How many hours have you lost to meaningless scrolling, to overthinking, to conversations that went nowhere? Time doesn't leave in one big chunk. It leaks, 1 second at a time, while you wait, while you worry, while you entertain everything except purpose. But if someone stole your wallet, you'd be furious. But when the world steals your hours, you stay silent. You think chasing your dream is scary. Try living with regret. Try reaching the end knowing you didn't even try. Fear is temporary. Regret, that shot is eternal. One day your body won't let you try anymore. One day your mind will slow. One day all you'll have is memory. Will those memories scream or will they sing? Excuses are clever. They speak with your voice. They sound like logic. But they are lies, perfectly disguised lies. I don't have time. False. You do. You just give it away. I'm not ready. You never will be. Readiness is a myth. Maybe next year. Next year. You might not even get next week and kill the excuse. Save the time. Or be buried with both. Life won't wait for your confidence. It won't pause because you're not in the mood. Time doesn't care if you're scared, tired, or lost. It just keeps moving. So move with it. Don't slow down. Speed up. Start building. Start failing. Start sharpening your edge. Because comfort will kill your future if you let it. Your mission matters more than your mood. Your legacy matters more than your fear. Remember, you will die. This isn't to scare you. It's to awaken you. That truth should be fuel. Let it push you. Let it burn away your laziness. Let it light the fire that drags you out of bed at 5 a.m. You don't have time to waste. You only have time to use or to lose. Every second is a test. Will you step in or will you scroll past? You want a sign? This is it. You've been waiting for motivation, waiting for some perfect moment. But perfection is procrastination in disguise. It doesn't exist. What exists is time. What exists is now. And now is all you've got. Stop romanticizing someday, because someday doesn't exist on any calendar. When your life flashes before your eyes, what do you want to see? Endless scrolling, safe choices, or the moments you broke the rules, took the risk and went all in? No one regrets trying. They regret waiting. Here's the truth they won't tell you. Most people are already dead. They just haven't been buried yet. They gave up on their dreams long ago. Don't be like them. You were not born to repeat days. You were born to build something eternal. Not just money, not just comfort, but impact. Legacy, fire, a life that echoes beyond your years. Don't live like you'll be here forever. Live like your name matters. Live like someone's life depends on your decision today. Because maybe it does. This is your last warning. Time is not your friend. But if you treat it right, time will make you unforgettable.